Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. Powering this four-wheel drive crew cab is a 3.5-liter gasoline V6 paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission capable of 10 to 13 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking at the back of the truck, you have a standard box with lots of storage. You also have a power adapter, and everything is nicely protected by a tonneau cover. Moving up to the interior, you have running boards along the cab. You also have power adjustable mirrors and windows, your traction control, cargo lights, and auto high beams on the dash. The steering wheel has your hands-free audio, display controls, and adaptive cruise control, as well as your lane departure warning. This Tacoma is currently sitting at 35,313 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit, which shows your backup camera and has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready to go. Climate controls and four-wheel drive controls, heated front seats and power ports, as well as lots of storage with your gear select. This Tacoma also has a premium cloth interior, and the driver's seat is power adjustable. For the back of the interior, you have lots of storage in the door panel, cup holders, and lots of legroom. If you would like to see this 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.